Welcome to Smart Agri Hub, your trusted source for expert agricultural insights. Today, we're diving deep into the world of zucchini farming, a rewarding venture for both small-scale gardeners and commercial growers. Whether you're looking to boost your farm's productivity or start a home garden, this complete zucchini farming guide will provide step-by-step instructions, practical tips, and best practices for a bountiful harvest. Let's begin with an introduction. Zucchini, also known as courgette, is a versatile summer squash belonging to the Cucurbitaceae family. It's prized for its rapid growth, high yield, and adaptability to various climates. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, zucchini is a staple in kitchens worldwide and boasts strong market demand. With proper planning and care, zucchini farming can be highly profitable and sustainable. The first step in successful zucchini cultivation is variety selection. Choose high-yield, disease-resistant varieties suited to your local climate. Popular varieties include Black Beauty, Golden Zucchini, Cocozelle, and Costata Romanesco. For commercial farming, hybrid varieties with uniform fruit size and strong disease tolerance are ideal. Consult local agricultural experts or seed suppliers for region-specific recommendations. Next, let's talk about site selection and soil preparation. Zucchini thrives in full sun, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Well-drained, fertile loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5 is optimal. To prepare the land, start by clearing weeds and debris. Plow the soil to a depth of 25 to 30 centimeters to improve aeration and water retention. Incorporate well-rotted organic manure or compost at a rate of 20 to 25 tons per hectare, boosting soil fertility and microbial activity. Now, let's focus on planting. Zucchini can be grown directly from seed or as transplants. Direct seeding is common for large-scale cultivation, while transplanting is preferred for an earlier harvest and better plant establishment. In temperate regions, sow seeds after the last frost when the soil temperature consistently exceeds 16 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Fahrenheit. For direct seeding, plant seeds 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Space them 60 to 90 centimeters apart within rows, leaving 1 to 1.5 meters between rows. This spacing ensures adequate airflow and reduces disease risk. If opting for transplanting, start seeds in biodegradable pots 3 to 4 weeks before the expected planting date. Harden off seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions for a week before transplanting. This process minimizes transplant shock and promotes robust growth. Irrigation is a crucial factor in zucchini farming. Zucchini plants require consistent moisture, especially during flowering and fruit development. Drip irrigation is highly recommended as it delivers water directly to the root zone, conserves moisture, and reduces leaf wetness, thereby lowering disease risk. Water deeply once or twice a week, depending on weather and soil conditions. Avoid overwatering, as soggy soil can lead to root rot and fungal diseases. Nutrient management is equally important. Zucchini is a moderate to heavy feeder and benefits from balanced fertilization. Before planting, apply a basal dose of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium according to soil test recommendations. During the growing season, side dress with additional nitrogen when the plants begin to flower, and again during fruit set. Incorporate organic mulch around the base of the plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and enrich the soil as it decomposes. Effective weed and pest management can make or break your zucchini crop. Hand weeding, shallow cultivation, and mulching are effective strategies for weed control. Monitor your crop regularly for common pests such as squash bugs, cucumber beetles, and aphids. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs or use organic insecticidal soap for minor infestations. For severe cases, select appropriate chemical controls with guidance from agricultural extension officers, always adhering to recommended safety intervals before harvest. Zucchini plants are susceptible to diseases like powdery mildew, downy mildew, and bacterial wilt. To prevent disease outbreaks, practice crop rotation, avoid overhead watering, and ensure adequate plant spacing for good air circulation. Remove and destroy infected plants promptly to prevent the spread of pathogens. Select disease-resistant varieties and apply preventive fungicides as needed. As zucchini plants mature, they produce male and female flowers. Pollination is essential for fruit development. Bees and other pollinators play a vital role, so avoid spraying insecticides during flowering. In case of poor pollination, consider hand pollinating by transferring pollen from male to female flowers using a soft brush. Harvesting is a rewarding stage in the zucchini farming journey. Zucchini is best harvested when fruits are young and tender, typically 15 to 20 centimeters, or 6 to 8 inches long. At this stage, the skin is glossy and the flesh is firm. Regular harvesting every 2 to 3 days encourages continuous fruit production. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the fruit, taking care not to damage the plant. Overgrown fruits can be tough and reduce overall yield. Post-harvest handling and storage are crucial for maintaining quality. Handle fruits gently to avoid bruising. Wash and dry zucchini before packing to remove soil and debris. For local markets, pack in ventilated crates or boxes. Store zucchini at 7 to 10 degrees Celsius or 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit with high humidity to maintain freshness for up to a week. Now, let's discuss some tips for maximizing profits in zucchini farming. Diversify your markets by supplying local grocers, supermarkets, restaurants, and farmers markets. Explore value-added products such as zucchini chips, pickles, and baked goods. Practice successive planting every few weeks to ensure a steady supply throughout the growing season. Keep detailed farm records to track input costs, yields, and profitability. Sustainable practices are key to long-term success. Rotate zucchini with non-cucurbit crops to break pest and disease cycles. Incorporate cover crops and green manures to enhance soil health and biodiversity. Minimize chemical inputs by adopting integrated pest management and organic farming techniques. Water conservation and efficient irrigation reduce costs and environmental impact. In summary, zucchini farming offers great potential for income generation and food security. By following the steps outlined, selecting the right variety, preparing the soil, planting properly, managing water and nutrients, controlling weeds and pests, and harvesting at the right time, you can enjoy healthy plants and abundant harvests. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey into zucchini farming. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart agriculture tips from Smart Agri Hub. Share your questions and farming experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Happy farming, and may your zucchini harvest be plentiful.